Hello guys, my name is Govinda Devkoda. I'm from Nepal. I'm a professional chef. Today I'm leaving to Slovenia for the new job as a chef. I had applied for Slovenia from London Visa Voice, which have been most prolific professionals and 100% visa guaranteed. They have been very cooperative, very transferable, very transparent. But from the very beginning, there was very good people, and I hope you will find your right pathway through the London Visa Voice. And I would like to suggest to all of you, go through London Visa Voice, which have been very professionals, and most importantly, the visa is 100% guaranteed through there. So good luck guys, and best of luck.